Hello, this is Mastan. Today discussing topic is energy audit. So what is mean energy audit and aim of energy audit, functions. So what are the main functions of energy audit? Everything discussed. Let us see one by one. So as per Indian Energy Conservation Act 2001, energy audit defined as the verification, monitoring and analysis of use of energy, including submission of technical report containing recommendations for improving energy efficiency with cost benefit analysis and action plan to reduce energy consumption. So this it is a definition about energy audit: verification, monitoring, analysis of use of energy, including submission of technical report containing recommendations for energy efficiency improving how it is happen with the cost benefit analysis and action plan to reduce energy consumption. It is a complete idea about energy audit. So what is the aim of energy audit? To minimize cost for energy and to minimize operational cost and to minimize cost for repairs and reconstruction. To minimize the costs for repairs and reconstructions and to increase quality of environmental that contributes to increase the work productivity. So these are the aim of energy audit. One is reduce cost of energy, reduce operation cost and reduce the cost of repairs and reconstructions. Okay. So what is the type of energy audit? So energy audit can be classified into two types. One is preliminary audit, second detailed audit. So what is preliminary audit methodology? What is preliminary energy audit methodology? So it is establish energy consumption in the organizations, estimate the scope for saving, identify the most likely and the easiest areas for attention, identify immediate, especially no or low cost improvement savings, and set a reference point, identify areas for more detailed study or measurements, and the preliminary energy audit uses existing or easily obtained data. So these are the main concept about preliminary energy audit methodology. Then detailed energy audit methodology. It is offers most accurate estimate of energy savings and cost. Detailed means it offers most accurate energy savings and cost. So it is based on inventory of energy using systems, assumptions of current operating conditions and calculations of energy. So detail means energy operating conditions, current operating conditions, calculations of energy, everything. Okay. So these detailed energy audit methodology can be done in three phases. The first phase one, pre-audit phase, second audit phase, third phase, post-audit phase. Pre-audit phase, audit phase, and post-audit phase. So what are the steps to take to calculate detailed energy audit? So first, phase one. What is the procedure to take? Pre-audit phase means first step one is plan and organize. Second, walk through the audit. Inform interview with the energy manager and production plant manager. So these steps you have to take the first step one in pre-audit. So what are the main purpose of these steps? What are the results you are getting is, so resource planning, establishment, organizing energy audit them and organizing institutions and macro data collections, familiarizations of process plant activities. Okay, so these are the main purposes to done the first step. Step two is conduct of brief meeting awareness program with all divisional heads and personnel concern or persons concerned. that is the time if you take our requirement either 2 to 3 hours or 4, whatever it is. So this has to be done. We are getting as building up cooperations. So once we have to meeting with all divisional heads and persons concerned, that is building up cooperations. Issue questionnaires for each developed department. Orientations, awareness creations will be created. So once the meeting conducted between two departments, that is the divisional heads and persons concerned. So that is to create a awareness. Okay. So step 2 is nothing but phase 2 is audit phase. That is primary data gathering process, flow diagram, and energy utility diagram. So once we have to done these, all the data that is in audit phase are getting as, so primary data gathering means historic data analysis, baseline data collections. What are the previous data we have already there in industries, some other companies also. So we have to collect that, prepare process flow charts. So all service utilities system diagram. Suppose if you take any single diagram is there, for once we have to see the single diagram, we have to identify what are the components are connected, what are the connections, everything, and water, compressed air, steam, this everything. Okay. So design, operating data, and the schedule of operation. So annual energy bill and energy consumption pattern, everything I have to take the diagram also. That is energy utility diagram. So it is these data can be done in second phase, that is audit phase. And step 4 is conduct energy and monitoring. So we are getting as uh, and conduct detailed trials, experiments, or for selected energy guzzles. Okay. Analysis of energy use, identification and development of energy conservation opportunities. Energy conservation opportunities. Okay. So once I have to done analysis of energy use, energy and material balance, energy loss, waste analysis. Analysis of energy use means, so what are the energy, how much energy we are getting, what are the materials are used, how to, what are the losses are we are getting. Identification and development of energy conservation opportunities. Okay. And cost benefit analysis, access technical feasibilities, economic viabilities, and for options of implementations, select the most promising projects, everything we are getting. So then finally reporting and presentations to top management. That is in reporting presentation means documentations, report presentation to the top management. Okay. And last finally phase 3, post audit phase, implementation and follow up. Implementation and follow up. So what are the we are getting as action plan, schedule for implementations, follow up, and periodic review. Everything we have to done. Okay. Then areas of energy audit. Also where we have to get means where is the areas of energy audit we have to done. So the subject of energy consumption analysis or energy resource consumed in the industrial area, that is electricity, natural gas, steam, coal, wood, and fuels. Electricity, natural gas, steam, coal, wood, and fuels also. Heating systems, hot water preparations, ventilation systems, and air conditioning, electric appliances, gas or other energy resources consuming appliances, indoor, outdoor lighting systems. So these are the areas of energy audit we have to done. Okay, so it is the main definitions about energy audit, aim of energy audit, how to done the energy audit by three phases. Phase 1, that is phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So that is preliminary data audit and detailed data, detailed energy audit, preliminary energy audit program, and detailed energy audit program. So detailed energy audit program can be done in 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So this is the very important audit of energy systems in our India. Okay, thank you.